Hey everyone, it's Farris, Tarazi Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to Camden Way. If you're looking for a single-story, 4-bedroom home that offers a nice open floor plan, a 3-car garage, a recently landscaped backyard, and offers complete privacy, this may be for you. Let's head on in, check it out. Welcome home, featuring a double-door entry, an adjoining formal living and formal dining room with vaulted ceilings, new interior paint, neutral tile flooring throughout, a spacious kitchen with a breakfast nook, French doors that leads to the porch, plenty of cabinetry, standstill appliances, a center island, pendant lighting, and bar stool seating that opens up the family room with a fireplace. Relax in your private backyard that offers complete privacy, a stucco-covered patio, and has been recently landscaped with grass, 20 rose bushes, 3 fruitless olive trees, Mexican sage, and rosemary. Thank you so much for having this tour of Camden Way. For more information, for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.